Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video we'll be talking about this super cute unit that I have on. Can you believe that this is synthetic? Yes, and it's less than $30. Let me give you the details. Very passing moment, thoughts of you run through my head. I am slowly realizing So I initially did this review yesterday, but I didn't like my makeup. I'm redoing it today, but I threw away like the stock card and stuff like that, so I don't have that on hand. So this wig came from Sam's Beauty. This is the Freetress Valentino wig. I have mine in the color FF Cream. It comes with 2 combs on the sides in the front, and you also have 5 inches of parting space. It's literally just the parting space. That's the only place you have lace. And then it has a little bit of hair for the baby hairs, but we're not doing any baby hairs. I'm not a fan of it. And we also have adjustable straps, and then you have a comb right in the middle in the back. I use the adjustable straps, but I do not use the combs at all. It's big head friendly, and you can adjust it to your head size if you have a small head. With any synthetic wig, of course, it is going to tangle and it's going to shed a little bit. That's how it is. But you know, always have your comb or your brush with you to kind of brush through it. But to be honest, I wore it for like maybe like 5 hours yesterday, and it really did not tangle as much as you would think it would, but I did have my brush with me, you know, just in case. But I really love, one thing I absolutely love about synthetic wigs is it does not lose the curls. Like, the curls are there to stay. I was super nervous about this color at first, but then actually as I'm wearing it and looking at myself more, I'm falling in love with the color. Like, I think that it looks really good. I was nervous because I really haven't done color in a long time. I've been like the jet black or the 1B type of girl lately, but when I tell you, a nice cute balayage gives everything that it needs to give. Literally don't have to do much prepping for this wig. As you can see in the beginning, you don't have to do much. As you can see for the install portion, you don't have to do much for this wig. You can literally just put your powder in your part, put it on, fluff it up, and go about your day. Like, that's like always a plus, because a lot of us are always on the run and we don't have time to like do our hair. So to have a wig that you can just throw on and go about your day is always a plus for me, and I'm always here for it. Also, this wig was only $28.99. So for this to be $28.99 and to be given what it's giving is like, yes, because I've purchased wigs that was been 40 plus, and after a day they look trash. So I'm the type of girl, if I can save some coins and look good, I'm going to save some coins and look good. So that's pretty much all I have for this video. I hope that you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and share with your friends, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.